Hopefully I'm in focus. If not, I'm just gonna have to retake this whole video. But otherwise, welcome to my channel. This video is gonna cover down on some of my favorite moments from my FPV footage. And for the setup I'm using, I had a Cinebot30 paired with a GoPro Hero 11 Mini with a couple ND filters. And if you guys want more specific details on that, feel free to comment down below and I'll try to answer as best as I can. But currently, I am going to be building a new drone. I did lose a drone based off a connectivity issue. I was doing some cliff diving with it, got a little too confident, and lost connection, and then spent about 2 days trying to find it. So, RIP. But pretty much getting into this video, it's just a little bit of a, cinematic montage with FPV, and there's going to be a few bloopers where I crash it, and then getting some of the reactions, and that's pretty much it. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and, throw a little like, maybe subscribe, do what you will. So, Also, just to clarify, I am by no means an expert when it comes to drones. So for those of you guys who are going to comment something, negative, I'm fairly new to this. So I would appreciate some help down below, some tips. I am going to be building out new drones. So my biggest issue was connectivity as far as distance goes, trying to keep that distance longer. And then also I need a GPS because I spent 2 days hiking on cliff sides trying to find this drone. So I would appreciate all the help I could get. And that's all I have to say. Hope you guys enjoy.
Yeah, I haven't narrowed down landing just yet. Maybe if I take off my goggles, it'll be easier. Guys? Definitely harder to land with the goggles off. So, wish me luck. Hopefully I don't crash and hopefully I don't lose my drones.
1 hour later.
Oh shit, losing connection. Alright, we might have just lost the drone. Fuck. Make sure I hit record on the GoPro because that's embarrassing if I don't. Oh, shit, I didn't even record that.